That would work, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Right guys, just doing the wiring on the old beast. Going to try and make a little plug out of these little out of the XT60s to make it 12S or 8S, depending if I put a blank over to short one of the connections. Sounds dodgy, so it probably well is, but we've worked out the theory. So we've got, that's the kind of configuration we're doing. We've got 3 batteries. So we've got positive, negative going to the motor or ESC, and then we're bridging the positive and the negative of each cell or batteries, and then to make it a 8S, bridge that one so the power comes from that one, and in my head that's going to work. It might not, but there'll be smoke. And then we worked out that's 4S. And I keep saying we, because you've got a special guest today.
Oh yeah.
Special guest in the house.
Keep him well out of the way.
Yeah, as you do. So I'm going to start soldering these up. I'm not going to show you how I solder because I'm shite at it and my soldering iron's playing up, so I'll get back to you in a minute.
I've got
Alright guys, another quick update. I've done the soldering. Waiting for the old classic hot wire, hot glue gun to warm up. So get that ready. That's what I've done. Made a 3-block connector, so you got 4, 8, 12S. And what I've done is link to the backs with a bit of wire. Not too bad job. The soldering iron's playing up, so that's not brilliant, but because I've linked them and they're separate, they're kind of reversed on there. Hopefully bridging the back of the connectors should sort that out, and then I'm just going to cover that with hot glue, which is going to work in 2 ways. One, it's going to insulate it, and 2, it's going to well, if it gets hot, the hot glue will melt, then I know it's getting hot. And so to make it 8S, what I'm going to do is put that blank in there, which is what I bridged the back. So when that goes in there, plug 2 batteries in, we have 8S. Well, that's the plan anyway. So that should look like that. Again, hot glue. See how it goes. Haven't seen that done yet. And put those hoops in the back, I got to put my hands up and say that wasn't my idea. That was Mr. Clark's.
Thank you.
And as he was he darted out of the way just as I started the video up to, didn't want to be on film, but there we go. So hopefully in a minute I will video me plugging some batteries in to see what happens. Either I'm going to lose my hand and end up in hospital, or it's going to work like a treat. So either way, win-win. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Not going to happen. Right. Just going to start. Well, say start. I'm just going to go and plug a battery in.
Is that on 0?
See what the fuck happened. I don't know.
Is that on 0? Turn that right down to 0, surely.
It shouldn't start on throttle. That's 1 battery's connected.
No noise. That's good.
Yeah, battery connector's got warm. So just going to tap this one in. There's no spark, so it's right. The connector's right.
Battery connect. Well, that worked. That worked.
Hallelujah!
That worked. I'm stunned. I'm the right way around. How to do things dodgily.
That's how we do it in the shed.
Yeah, that works.
So that was 8S.
Have another one.
Right, we've taken out the bridge. We're connecting this one up the opposite way round. Still no bang. Batteries aren't getting hot, so that's a good start.
That's a good start.
So now we're going to go for 12S. Ooh, one fuck.
That bang.
bit more grunt.
On that note, battery's done.
So yeah, win-win for that connector.
Jesus.
I think I might need to put a clamp or something on that because they're quite wibbly wobbly.
Oh shit.
I think I might put something between those. But yeah, that's all 3 batteries connected in series. It is series, isn't it? For parallel is extra amps.
Extra amps for parallel, yeah.
So,
No.
Yeah, sure it is.
Yeah, it is series, yeah.
Yeah.
Freaking hellfire.
So there we go. I get to fly another day.
If you'd have bounced across the shed, that would have been quite funny.
Yeah. There we go. So, quick rundown of what I've done. I absolutely myself. I haven't blown myself up, I haven't blown my hand off, so win-win. So that's the connector. And so I've got that spacer in there. I say bridge, it's more of a bridge than a spacer to be fair. To just have the 2 connections which make AS. That goes into the ESC, which is stuffed down the inside of there. Probably can't see it, but there we go. One big ass motor, and that is a 20x6 prop. Don't know the origins of the prop, but it looks alright, and it's not made out of balsa.
You want to see the...
Not really. So it's down inside there. Probably still can't see it. That's 160 amp ESC. 6 to 12. So she's all built up, ready to rock. The only thing that's left is the wing spar and sticking a receiver in it. See if GI found it. It has actually got one, so that's happy days. And anyway, I suppose the next video then, I don't think you guys want to see me putting a receiver in it, but I think the next video then will be the maiden. And what do you think of that, Mr. Clark?
That should be fun. A maiden.
Yeah.
For the second time.
Yeah. Second reincarnation, as you call it.
Yeah.
Electric.
Mark 2.
Yeah, 2.0.
2.0.
It's gone digital.
We are in modern technology.
So I put a couple of pictures of the photographs I took earlier with the wings on, out on the gravel.